Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to repair a sliced sidewall of a tire without removing it from the vehicle. So basically you can patch it right on the spot. You just need to jack the vehicle up, and this procedure will take at least 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, let's start. The things that you need for this tire repair are sidewall repair kit, a clean towel, water spray with soap and water, tire inflator, scissors, a jack, and a jack stand. And also I'm using a heat gun. It's not really necessary, but it's just me. I just want to use a heat gun. After jacking up the vehicle, clean the cut around its area using the water and soap and allow it to dry for a few minutes. This is the sidewall repair kit that we are going to use. There's instructions here at the back. This kit includes a 2-gram bottle of glue thread adhesive with 2 tips. And the patch, the size of it is 4 inches by 4.5 inches with a 3/16 thickness. And again, there's another insert of instructions. It also comes with 4 sandpapers, 80 grit, and the glue recommended pattern. Sand the part that needs to be patched. Since the area that I'm patching is near the tire lettering, I have to sand it too to make sure that the tire is flat to the patch and no air in between them. Apply the glue thread in the lacerated area and let it bond for a few minutes. Once it's dry, sand it. Cut the patch slightly larger than the tire cut, or at least ½ inch around damage. Apply adhesive in a dot pattern, either on the patch or on the tire. And it's important to follow glue pattern in the instructions immediately. And carefully set the patch in place and apply pressure on the patch evenly for 3 minutes. Ensure edges and corners are fully adhered. By the way, I did use the handle of hammer to press it firmly, and after that, allow for the glue and patch to cure for 10 minutes and begin to air up the tire. Check for leaks using the spray water with soap. If you don't see any bubbles, you are good to go. So I did not hear any leaks or see bubbles. It means that the patch worked and this Highlander is good to go. And that is all for today. I hope you like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.